Year goes on, because New York being a business town and also being close to the United Nations, there are people coming and going all the time. So we're one of those schools that's going to be accommodating and work with families as they come into the city.
It's part of our overall flexibility. We know that there are students who are coming in from a variety of places that don't always come in at the beginning of a school year, or who don't magically show up at the beginning of a semester. So that kind of rigid application process is something that doesn't work for everyone. And there are students who have changes in circumstances. They've been out for an extended illness, or they realize that this is something that they want to change their path, and it's the middle of the year and they need to be able to change their path. It's very important to them. We're not going to bar them from continuing their education or being locked into something that just isn't working for them. We want to be able to do whatever we can to facilitate a change.